then, let's have it kamote, guys. Ako ay nagmerienda, guys. Kayo dyan. Nag-coffee time pa tayo ang sisi nyo, guys, at this moment. Ayan, kain tayo. Tamis siya, guys. Ito yung mga gusto ko sa ano. Maliit ba, guys? We have a small yellow. This one a little pink but yellow inside. Nag-English naman to, guys. Very cute. Sarap, guys. Looks very native, guys. Ang ating kamote. And then, i-partner sa coffee, guys. Sarap. Tamis. Sarap ng coffee natin. Looks very brown. Tamis. Mainit pala. Tamang-tama naman ang tamis kasi ayoko din talaga, guys, na coffee natin, guys, na a lots of sugar that it feels that so very sweet, no? So I like yung lang, guys, tamang-tama lang yung I don't like guys, sweetness overload, charis. Gusto ko lang yung guys, sweetness overload yung love life. Love life, guys. Wag lang yung coffee. Kain. Samahan niyo ako, guys. Very yummy. We have another one that's very it looks very cute, guys. As you can see, this guys, this one, the small size, the small one. I love din ganito, guys, kasi pag mga ganitong size, guys, siya, matamis, masarap. It tastes good and yummy. Mahan niyo ako, guys. Let's have it. Yummy tayo. Coffee. Sarap. Yun lang, guys, ang update natin. So I hope everyone have a nice day and a great day ahead. Thank you so much for watching. See you next again. Bye!